Public service, they say, is a 24/7 gig. Hence, by no means will there be any pause or intermission in the implementation of government programs or projects from government agencies, officials, and concerned workers. A word of assurance the president swore to uphold in today's inauguration of an irrigation project in Sultan Kudarat. The full report from our Clazel Pardilia.
No government services will be disrupted. That was the assurance from Malacanang amid the impeachment trial against Vice President Sara Duterte.
Ang ehekutibo po, ang Pangulo, hindi po naaantala ang mga proyekto. Patuloy po nagtatrabaho kahit ano pa po ang issue. Maliban lamang po kung may mga taong gusto talaga maantala ang proyekto ng Pangulo. Pero siyempre po yan po ay lalabanan.
Earlier today, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. inspected the implementation of the Walang Gutom program in Sorala, South Cotabato. Hundreds of families received free meals. The chief executive also led the inauguration of a new irrigation system in Sultan Kudarat as part of the government's preparations for El Nino. President Marcos also distributed free rice and turned over funding to local government units in Cotabato under the Bawat Bayan Makikinabang program. Malacanang reiterated the government will not stop its investigation into alleged anomalies involving flood control projects. This came after Senator Alan Peter Cayetano expressed frustration over the Blue Ribbon Committee's alleged failure to act on the proposed inquiry into the alleged flood control scam.
Napakaraming leads. So ang question lang, gagawin natin ba to o hindi? Kung ang gusto ng administrasyon, kalimutan muna natin lahat ng ibang corruption, impeachment muna kasi importante to. Then that's selective justice, di ba? Then that's discriminating, meaning...
Sino naman ang po nagsabi sa kanya na magkakaroon lang ng focus sa impeachment trial ni Vice Presidente? Nakita na po natin kung paano gumalaw ang NBI, ang Ombudsman, ang DOJ. Hindi po focus sa impeachment trial. Sa totoo, pag nagmi-meeting po ang Pangulo with the Cabinet Secretaries, hindi po na pag-uusapan ng impeachment. So saan po kaya hinuhugot ng dating Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano ang kanyang mga kwento?
As the impeachment proceedings against Vice President Duterte move forward over allegations of graft, unexplained wealth, and threats against the president, Malacanang maintained that the case should not become a cause of division among Filipinos.
Ang pagpapaigting ng accountability and transparency para sa mga public servants, ito naman ay para sa taong bayan. Hindi ito magiging sanhi ng pagkakahati-hati. Ang magiging ugat lang naman ng pagkakahati-hati ng mga Pilipino ay kung mayroong mga taong gumagawa ng fake news at mga taong gustong itago o mag-cover up ng mga ebidensya para makalusot ang kanilang mga pinupuon o iniidolo.
Clazel Pardilia for the Nation.